Hello folks, good evening, greetings for the day. So today is 5th of September. On this particular date I'm recording this video for you guys over here, right? And for your upcoming NDA 2 2025 you have got like 8 days remaining over here, right? Okay, so this is a very important video over here for all of you, and wherein we are going to discuss the last and the final week plan for your NDA 2 2025 examination that is coming up on 14th September, right? Okay, first thing first, ladies and gentlemen, if you are writing NDA 2 2025, let me why have I highlighted this mathematics in red? Because a majority of the test takers fail in mathematics. Okay, this is a thumb rule. A majority of the aspirants, they fail in mathematics. Okay, so you have to be very very prepared with this particular section over here, right? Okay, so mathematics is extremely important. We conducted a test. Okay, we conducted a survey in our school back in Sainik School Amravati Nagar with the batch of 2018, right? There close to 17 aspirants had passed the written examination, right? Out of those 17, only 18 had cleared, right? Only 18 had cleared the maths cutoff, right? So if you clear the maths cutoff, that means if you get 75 marks out of 300, that means the probability of getting the clearing this examination becomes much higher. Okay, right? So how the number looked like over there was like there were 105 test takers, right? And out of them 17 passed the examination, right? Okay, and the fact was that 18 of them had cleared the maths cutoff over there, right? So this is how critical mathematics is over here, right? Okay, and as far as the last week plan over here is concerned, I'm sure that you guys must have finished off your syllabus by now. Okay, and what I want you to do for the next 8 days, okay, you might want to even skip GAT paper altogether. That is one. Okay, and if you don't want to skip GAT paper, right, okay, at least 6 papers of maths and at least 2 papers of GAT is what I would like you to do. Okay, right? So for the 8 days, day 1, day 2, day 3, right, and day 4, right? Day 1 do mathematics, right? And day 4 you can do GAT, right? Okay, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, right? Again mathematics and GAT. You can go to the upsc.government.in, this particular website, right? UPSC is the body, the examination authority over here, right, which conducts the examination for you, right, which is going to conduct your NDA examination. Over there you can go and download each of these papers, right? Okay, mathematics and GAT papers over there, right? So by now you must have covered up this syllabus. The only thing where the students, the aspirants fail is that they fail to take the PYQ papers, and the next step over here is to do the analysis. Okay, I've been talking about how exactly for you, I've been talking about how exactly you guys have to do analysis again and again. I'll talk again, right? The wrong questions, you have to think, why did it go wrong? Unattempted one, why did you not attempt it, right? And the attempted one, which are even correct in nature, can you find out a better way to solve the same question again? Right? Okay, so that is how your preparation will be over, right? And I would iterate again and again that mathematics is extremely critical over here, right? Okay, so these are about the do's and don'ts. Is that for the last 10 odd days it's okay even if you skip to read the newspaper, because that won't come in your exam, right? And watching these YouTube videos like this of mine, okay, if you are damn sure about what exactly you need to do, kindly go ahead with your prep and do not watch random YouTube videos, right? Score booster, marathon, this and that and whatnot nonsense that will be floating out there, right? Okay, and don't mug up GK. Try to understand that whatever prep you are supposed to do, that is done by now. Okay, so whatever prep you have done, that is all you have. What you are supposed to do, you have to strengthen the learning that you are done with. Okay, and the least of all, I would like you guys to fear. Okay, first thing first, try to understand that the length and breadth of this particular syllabus of this particular examination is just so huge that you cannot cover it up. Given you will have your school, you will have your college and all that stuff. Okay, it is absolutely not possible to finish it off. This syllabus is not possible to finish it off. Okay, so you should have a feeling of content, right? Feel content, feel happy, right? Feel prepared. That will give you extra marks. Okay, so that's all I wanted to give you about the preparation over here, right? Okay, And the next thing, if I have a couple of minutes over here, right, if you want to prepare for your NDA 1 2026 or NDA 2 2026, NDA 1 2027, NDA 2 2027, right, okay, so we have 6 months, 12 month and 24 months courses over here with us, right, okay, and we are offering up to 100% scholarship, wherein you can get 20,000 worth of scholarship over there, right, okay. We are offering a total of 5,25,000 of scholarship for you to grab over here, right, okay. So do not shy away in registering yourself, right. Register yourself quickly using the QR code that is over here that we have given, or if you find difficulty in scanning in this QR code and applying for it, then I would also give the Google form link in the description as well, okay. Find the Google form link in the description as well. So if you're passionate about clearing your NDA examination, so you should be joining us over here with our prep, okay. As for me, I have cleared this examination 5 times. Each and every time I have written this particular examination over here, folks, right, okay. So don't miss this opportunity, right. We are going to conduct a very easy level nationwide scholarship test on 28th September. So it is very important for you to be prepared and to register yourself right now itself, right, okay. Just a matter of fact, I wanted to mention the founder of this academy, right, Major Arun Prakash Ambati sir, right. He had an impressive all India rank 8 while he appeared for his examination, right, okay. He retired from 5 para, right, parachute regiment, and he is the leading this particular academy, Faujis academy from front, folks, okay, right. So do not miss this opportunity, right. Do not come and join us when the party is over, right, okay. And I wish you all the very best for your NDA NDA 1 2026. I'm pretty much sure that by now you guys must be done with downloading the admit card. Admit cards are already there. Black ballpoint pen you have to get, right. Center, where exactly your center is, please get done with that at least 1 day before the examination, okay. Don't try to reach the examination center on the day of examination, right, okay. It will be little bit difficult. It could be difficult, is what am I saying, okay. So thank you so much, folks. Bye bye, and I will see you again, right. With this I wanted to send you off. Bye bye. All the best, and enjoy the paper, right, okay, and perform as if no one is watching you, right. And I'll see you again after your examinations, okay. Bye bye. Jai Hind.